What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and we are working on a BMW X-Drive 35i, and here the guy that has been on YouTube, but he has never been, and he hasn't uploaded in like 10 years. I'm a good cameraman. Flip the camera. I'm a good cameraman. I'll get under here with you. I'll get under here with you. The camera is not upside down. It's how? It should be fine. Watch the intro not even be on here. It's only been 57 seconds. 58. 1 minute. Yeah, it's fine. Final. Is this your first? Your other channel wasn't really about cars, was it? Daniel? What is that? Oh. I literally touched right, didn't you? Oh, this is crazy. Where's your strip? Huh? Make sure the threads are stripped, so I might strip them. They be stripped. Now the camera's upside down. Why is he under here? This is the car. Said twin turbo, right? Okay. It's a twin turbo. I really don't know. I know some stuff about cars, but I'm not really that good at cars. You're better than me, obviously. So there's Tiger. Oh, he likes the camera. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, guys. Yeah. It's a kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. He loves the camera. He loves the camera. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, go back. I'm hearing some. Oh, it's under there. I was gonna say I hear something weird, but it's under there. My hands are shaky right now. We're literally out here in the middle of the night, aren't we? Middle of the night. full.
That's crazy.
Huh? Are you finally standing up?
Yeah, it's stripped.
Huh?
The bolt.
How to get stripped?
I don't know. I used a tool to remove it, but I didn't even use
Somebody
a tool
get
to
under there. Somebody get under there.
Somebody else, the last person or whatever, probably not even the last person. Maybe even the last person who did the oil change. They over tightened it. Way over tightened it. And broke the threads.
Can you tell if you look up there?
Hard, but yeah.
Try to get up under here, maybe.
Where it's dripping the oil.
I'll find it. I'll just drip on my face. I'm gonna laugh. See, guys, it's stripped right there. You got stripped. Last person put that over tightened it. So breaking the news, Kristen, my big sister. Oh, here's my little buddy. He's my best buddy. Yeah, hey buddy. Oh, you're so cute. Leave a like, guys, if you love my kitty cat. I got him. And leave a like. Please subscribe, guys. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Because what I want to do at the end of this year, I at least want to get to 200 subs. Or even probably just 100. I'm okay with 100. I'm okay with 200. I'm just okay. Somewhere around there. Okay? Guys, just get me there. What is it, buddy? What are you meowing about? Are you saying hi? Say hi. You're my little bunny. You're the best kid ever. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Okay. Damn. Come back out. Come back out.
I can't finish it tonight.
Okay. Well, see you guys in the next video.